How do I restart an app after force stopping it?
Hello there. We're here to talk about how to restart an app on your device after you've force stopped it. Force stopping an app can help clear out temporary hitches or glitches, but then you'll need to know how to get the app running again. It's actually quite simple, and we'll guide you through the steps.
Understanding force stopping.
Force stopping an app basically means you're shutting it down completely. This is different from just backing out of the app or even closing it from your recent apps menu. When you force stop an app, it completely shuts down and won't restart or refresh in the background. It's a way of saving resources or fixing temporary bugs.
How to force stop an app.
Before we get to restarting, let's cover how to force stop an app. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Scroll down to Apps or Application Manager and tap on it. 3. Scroll down the list of apps until you find the one you want to force stop, then tap on the app's name. 4. You should see a button that says Force Stop. Tap on it. 5. A warning will pop up letting you know that the app may misbehave if force stopped. If you're sure you want to continue, tap OK. Now the app has been completely shut down.
How to restart a force stopped app.
Now, let's talk about how to restart an app after it's been force stopped. 1. Simply navigate to your device's app drawer or home screen where the app's icon is located. 2. Tap on the app's icon as you normally would to open it. That's it. The app should now start up again as if you're opening it for the first time since restarting your device. There you have it. A simple guide to force stopping an app and then getting it running again. Remember that force stopping an app can sometimes clear temporary issues, but it also completely shuts down the app, so you'll have to manually restart it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more guides like this one. See you in the next one.